Hello folks. Today we are discussing about the most unpredictable topic in the interior design, which is Vastu. So today we'll learn about the bed arrangements as per Vastu incorporating the interior design. Well, let's get started. Hope you like it and this proves to be beneficial for you. So the very first question which pops up in our head is, which is the ideal location for our master bedrooms? The master bedroom, according to the Vastu, should be in the southwest direction, and the head of the family must occupy the room. In case your house is multi story, the best direction is to the southwest on the top floor, and it must be bigger than any other room in the house. Now, why the southwest part? The southwest part is because the southwest represents the element earth, which basically reduces the heaviness in our life. So, it is the apt direction for your master bedroom. Now, the one thing you should always keep in your mind whenever you are building your master bedroom is never locate in northeast direction because it is reserved for the puja, and similarly never located in the southeast direction because it is not ideal since it is governed by Agni, which leads to misunderstanding between the couples or whosoever is going to live in the particular room. So this is not an ideal direction for the master bedroom to be. Ideal shape for your master bedroom. The best shape for the master bedroom is square or rectangle. Well, why? It is because the efficient placement of furniture is a rectangle followed by a square. So the rectangular square shape is best for placing rectangular and other furniture without wasting any space. The proportion of the room is very important in the arrangement of the furniture or the ambience you are going to create. It plays a very vital role. So if the bedroom is very long but narrow, the furniture will have to be arranged lengthwise and it will ultimately end up looking like a train, which will not give your eyes a peaceful or a comfy look. If your room is in square or rectangular shape, you can easily place your furniture and you can easily create a pleasing ambience for your room, which is also peaceful for your eyes and which will ultimately gives you a comfort. The ideal shape for your master bedroom. The next is the ideal position for your bed. So, the best position for your bed is the south direction. Why south? Sleeping with your head towards south direction will help in increasing your wealth, happiness, and prosperity. Also, the quality of sleep is best when sleeping in this position. Sleeping with your head in the west direction is also highly recommended as this helps you in having fame, name, reputation, and prosperity in your life. Sleeping with the head in the east direction is also not bad as it also increases the memory, concentration, good health, and inclination towards spirituality. Students must sleep with their head in the east direction is highly recommended because in order to increase their memory and retention power of their brain and concentration. Also, the study rooms are also considered to be built in the east direction as it is a very good direction for the concentration and increases the memory also. The last direction is the north. Sleeping with your head in the north direction is not at all recommended. In fact, one must never keep his head in the north while sleeping. If they sleep in the north direction, he or she faces major sickness in life and remains sleep deprived. It means that they have the issues of insomnia, lack of sleeping. it is said that only a dead body's head is kept in the north direction, so it is not at all recommended. The next is the bedroom door facing the washroom door. Again, the one of a debatable topic. On your screens, you can see on the left side there is a bedroom door, and the right side there is a washroom door, and in between there is a small passage. The people whosoever have this kind of arrangement in their houses or anything like this is happening, they should immediately change it, because if you have both the doors and facing each other, then it will cause a loss of wealth in your life. It will spread negative energy in your house, and you will lead to bone and muscle illness in the long run in your life. So this is not at all recommended. This type of arrangement, you should change it as soon as possible. The next topic is the bed facing the room door. Room door stands for the main door from which you enter into your room. That is your room door. So in example A, where your door is facing the head means the upper part of the bed, where you put the pillows, where you place your pillows, where you place your head while sleeping. So that is the head of the bed. So if your door is facing the head, it will cause the extreme headache and migraine throughout your life. In the picture B, you can see if your door is facing the middle part of your bed, which is a stomach part, it will cause the gastric and the stomach problem to you or whosoever person living in such a arrangement of the room. And in the C example, you can see if the door is facing the bottom part of the bed, which is the leg part also, where your legs has been kept while you are sleeping, it will cause the problem relating to your lower body. So you can simply change your bed position, or of course you cannot change the door position, but try to change your bed position if you have this kind of arrangement in your. The next slide is about the washroom door facing your bed. You can see in the picture the arrangement of the room. You can see if you have this kind of arrangement, this is not at all recommended, as this kind of arrangement will lead you to the serious headaches, lack of concentration, and it might cause cancer in the long run. It is not at all recommended due to the health issues. It will give you a lot of health issues too. So as per Vastu, it is not at all recommended. The next slide is about the beam above your bed. We all are aware about what are beams or columns. So there should be no bed under the beam. Why? It is because when you sleep under the beam, you will feel so pressurized, like you have a burden on you. In the real life, you feel so much burden on you. You always overthink, which is not a good sign for a healthy lifestyle. It will cause insomnia to you. Insomnia means lack of sleep. You will never have a peaceful sleep. So this type of arrangement is not at all recommended. The bed should never be under the beam. Next slide is about the window behind your bed. As you can see in the picture, there is a window has been located behind your bed. So this type of arrangement is not at all good. It's best to have a solid wall, not a window behind your bed. Why? Because when you sleep under a window, your personal energy, it gets weakens over time, as it has neither proper support nor protection. So this arrangement is not at all recommended, and this type of arrangement will ultimately cause a poor sleep quality, lack of wealth, health issues, negative energy, and of course a lack of security. So avoid this kind of arrangements in your room. The next slide is about the mirror facing the bed. So as you can see in the given picture, like there is a cross on the three walls, wall number B, C and D. Now why? The mirror facing the bed means mirror that reflects your body while you are in a bed. A mirror directly facing the bed will reduce your personal energy, which you needed the most. At the night time, when your body does its repair work, and when you wake up in the morning, you feel lethargic. Why? Because you are facing yourself in the mirror every time, and it is reducing your energy. So it is not a good sign to have a mirror in front of you every time, especially when you are sleeping or when you are waking up in the morning. A mirror facing your bed is also said to be bring the energy of a third party. Let's say if you are in a relationship or if you are a married couple, the mirror in just front of your bed is not a good sign. So that's all for today. We will be bringing the remedies for you in the next video. The remedies for the bed arrangements as per the Vastu in interior design, the topic we discussed today. We will be bringing remedies for you guys, because there are many people who live in small spaces. There are budget constraints, there are apartment constraints, many factors, construction things, many factors are there, due to which they cannot just change their bed arrangements or anything, or door changes, anything. So we will be discussing on that topic in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. For any inquiries, you can connect with us at Instagram, or you can simply mail us to our mail ID. You can check the description of the mail ID in the description box. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.